welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is BRENDAokolocha. So I'm going to be teaching you all a simple remedy I just learned recently. Guys, my hair loved it, and I'm very sure your hair is going to love it as well. You can use it before styling your hair and after styling your hair, and I even made some for my sisters. If you want to learn how to make yours, stick around to the end. It's very easy. You don't need to break the bank before making this product. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future upload by more. Let's get the show started.
Your entire life can really change in a year. You just have to love yourself enough to know you deserve more, be brave enough to demand more, and be disciplined enough to actually work for more.
So I'm going to introduce you all to moringa. This is moringa leaf that I'm blending into a powder form. Moringa is rich in amino acid, which are building blocks of cells. Therefore, they help in rejuvenation of hair, thereby reduces alopecia. It activates the dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth on the bald areas. I'm emphasizing more on the bald areas. You really need to invest in moringa if you haven't been using it. It's also a rich source of biotin. Making use of moringa hair mask or moringa butter, moringa oil or water is a fantastic way to revitalize your hair and its growth. So this is shea butter. I'm going to cut about half of it and put into the mixture. It's actually the most important part of this product that we're about to make. It's the base of the product, so you can eyeball yours and put the quantity you want. Next is clove and rosemary. Guys, if you haven't invested in clove and rosemary, please do. They are going to help you to grow your hair so fast, especially rosemary, either the dry rosemary or the fresh rosemary, anyone you can lay your hands on. And this is emulsifying wax. You can get this where they sell chemicals, although this one is optional, but I included it because it's going to provide that conditioning and also make the product be slippery enough. This is rosemary oil. I'm going to put the link of how to make yours in the description box, and also put the picture of the thumbnail of what it looks like. Please check it out to know how to make your own rosemary. So as you can see, I started trying to melt the mixture, but you know, I was interrupted by the light. Then I transferred it to a cooking gas, and yeah, the shea butter was already melting. The emulsifying wax takes a little time to melt, but don't worry, it's going to melt as long as you put it together with other mixtures. So as you can see, everything is already melted down. Next up is to strain out the oil. Well, I'm supposed to leave this to cool down before straining it out. So if you are going to use like a cloth or weave-on cap to strain yours, please allow it to cool down a little bit before you strain it out, because it was actually still hot here, and I think I was a little bit relaxed because I'm using a strainer that doesn't require me to touch the product. So be careful when straining yours. So after straining it, I'm making sure that I don't allow the rosemary leaf and clove to enter into the oil. The next thing I'm going to do is to allow it to sit, to cool down before whisking it. If you have freezer or fridge, please put yours in there to make it a little bit solid before you start whisking it. So if you don't have this equipment for whisking your own butter, you can just turn it up with a spoon, pour it inside your container that you want to be scooping the product from, and just let it sit until it becomes very solid. Or you can place it in a freezer. It's actually quickening the process of making it solid. Then as you can see, I'm whisking this product until it becomes very solid. I don't want to use it in a very runny consistency. It's actually okay here, so it all depends on what you want. You can stop over here and put in your scent, because the smell of moringa can be a little bit awful, and I'm sure majority of people do not like that, and I don't also like the smell of shea butter. So you can see that I've whisked this to a very thick consistency, and I'm going to pour in my scent. This is mixture of banana and vanilla scent. You can put in any scent you want, however you want your product to smell like. So I put in about 2 cups of this banana and vanilla, then whisk it again to make sure everything has been mixed properly. If you have lavender essential oil and tea tree essential oil, even horsetail essential oil, please add it to it. It really helps to promote hair growth, especially in those bald areas. Trust me, if you browse and make your research on those oils that I just mentioned, you see what they can do. You see that they can really thicken and grow your hair perfectly well. So you can see the containers that I'm going to transfer my product to. If you have all those bigger containers, you can make use of it, but I prefer to use pumps because it's much easier to extract product, butters, leave-in conditioners from them. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. It really helps my channel to go far. Thank you so much. And also share this video to your loved ones. You never can tell, there are tons of people that want to learn this type of products. Guys, please share it to your loved ones and also give it a huge thumbs up. It helps YouTube to promote it to more people, so that more people that want to learn how to make this product are going to see it. So as you can see, I'm already transferring it into my bottles. Guys, just from the little mixture that I made, I was able to get up to 4 bottles of moringa hair growth butter, which I'm going to give the remaining 3 to my sisters. Yeah, I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I don't think my brother will be needing this because he doesn't keep hair, so I'm going to give the remaining 3 to my sisters. Don't worry, I'm only showing about 2 of them. The remaining 3 was kept aside. So over here, I'm going to show you how to apply it on your hair and on your scalp. Please, you have to start off by using water first to moisturize the hair. Remember, this is a sealant, okay? If you apply it just on your hair directly, it's going to only cause grease. You're only going to put grease on your hair, you understand? Just like applying oil, it's just grease, but you're not moisturizing the hair. Moisture is water. Water is moisture. So start off by moisturizing your hair with water, then you apply the product on your hair, then you start rubbing it in, making sure the entire hair strands is well coated with the moringa hair growth butter. Then remember what I say about detangling. If you are new here, let me explain again. Please use wide tooth comb. You can see I'm using a wide tooth comb. You start detangling from the tip, then start working up to the root of your hair. Let us not forget that we are supposed to put our hair into sections. That is even the most important procedure. Sections. First of all, sprinkle water on the hair, then you rub in the product, then start detangling. For people that have baldness, please, you have to apply the moringa hair growth butter on that particular space. I totally forgot to show you guys how to apply that particular space on your scalp. You can see there's no amount of hair that came out, right? This is the work of moringa hair growth butter. Give it a try. So back to what I was saying, please. So you're going to apply the moringa hair growth butter on that space where you're losing hair, you're lacking hair, on that bald areas, even on your edges. Apply it on your edges, apply it on your hair. Both your edges and your hair are going to benefit from this. Guys, please give this product a try. I guarantee you that your hair will grow. And while giving this a try, let's not forget to stop doing the negative things we are doing to our hair. You really need to be mindful of the hairstyle you're making. Avoid tiny hairstyles. Please, I'm going to say this over and over again. Tight, tiny hairstyles are literally the things that cause baldness. They are the causes of baldness. So please, you need to eliminate tight hairstyles, tiny hairstyles, over manipulated hairstyle, those hairstyles that have so many corner. Nigerians, you understand what I mean by corner. There's so many curves up and down. Please, our scalp and our hair don't need that stress at all. We just need to put our hair in a simple protective hairstyle that doesn't require us to be over manipulating our hair up and down. And for some people that touches their hair every day, you really need to stop it. When I say touching your hair every day, I mean today you're packing your hair up, tomorrow you're packing your hair down. There are some people that even the same day, morning, afternoon, night, they are touching their hair and is styling their hair from one style to another. Please, we need to be mindful. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.
Hi guys, we're going
did I drink? Like, why am I acting this way?